Good morning, Dee. Good morning. Good morning, Dee. How are you this morning? It's fine, beautiful morning. Say good morning, Angel. Good morning. I have to get light. Good morning, Angel. Good morning, Dee. Good morning there, baby. You want to say good morning? You're such a handsome little bugger. Handsome bugger. Yeah, you're a good little boy. Yeah. Mama loves your little tail. Look at how beautiful your tail is. You got a pretty tail. Yeah, you got a pretty one. Hi, baby. Hi, you're pretty. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yes. Here, can you say pretty bird? You say pretty bird. Did you say pretty bird? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Nothing. Okay, at least I got something. Good morning, Nikki. Can you say hi? Good boy. Hi. How are you? Yes, that's a good boy. Good boy. What? What do you have to say? I love you. I love you. Yes, I love you, Dee. You're a good boy. Dee, good boy. Yes, you good boy. Good boy. Yes, good boy, Dee. You're a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Hi, you. Hi, you. Dee went over there. Okay, Magic. Come here, Magic. Come here, Magic. Hi, Magic. Good morning. Good morning, Magic. Good morning. You're the cockatiel that knows how to sing. Huh? You can sing. Sing. Sing for me. Come on, sing for me. Say good morning. Good morning, Magic. Good morning. I love you. Can you say I love you? Pretty bird. Yeah, yes, I'm listening. Well, what you doing? You dancing? Oh, that's a pretty little dance. No, you're just really pretty. That would be cute if it was a dance. Oh, there you go. Precious! Yay! Yay! You're so pretty. Yay, Magic. Yeah, that's a good girl. Or boy. Hi, Magic. You're such a good little bird. It's Magic. Whatever it is, it's Magic. Yay! Magic. The super bird. Yeah, super bird. Super. Yeah. I love you. Pretty bird. Yes. We're doing exercise. I see you. Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Call your cardinal. Call the cardinal. No? Not in the mood? Okay. Sorry I interrupted. Hi, Dee. Dee's talking. Dee? What? Good boy. Good boy. Can you say good boy? What can you say? What? What? We're listening. They're not listening. What? Good. Magic. That's your cardinal. Whee! That's your eagle. Whee! You like doing impressions of other birdies. Yes. Wee! Pretty baby. Pretty bird. turn, Magic. You know how to do that whistle. Yes, you're learning that whistle. You know how to do it. Go ahead. No, not yet. Too much for you? Okay. You tell us. Tell us what you think. Yeah, we're listening. What? Yes, you're a good bird. Good girl or good boy, whatever. We'll love you. We'll love you. No matter what. We'll just love you because you're magic. The amazing Cockatiels. You guys are amazing too. Yes. Mama, okay, this one's the show though. This one likes to show off. It's a new one. That's why. It's a new one. Likes to show off and likes all the attention. Literally. I mean that literally. Yes. It will bite my fingernails if I go on the computer. It will jump on the computer if I'm on the computer. Every time I'm on the computer, I can't work. I put you away and you can go back and forth. Get like impatient. At times I can get lucky when it's nighttime. Way after dark. That's when I get lucky. Good Magic. Call the birdie. Magic went to the buck pond yesterday. Yes. Quickly. Very quickly. Yes, when we saw ducks. How does Ducky go? Did you see ducks yesterday? Yes, you did, didn't you? You liked a ducky? You were tough, weren't you? Yeah, you were tough. That's right. Did you like the duckies? Did you call the ducky over? Yes, you did, didn't you? Yeah, you saw a ducky. Yeah. We went out in the afternoon. What was the hottest part of the day yesterday? And we went down there real quick. Real quick. Yeah, it's a pretty bird. And we saw new ducks. Yeah, there's new ducks down there. I think they flew from the river because I never saw them before. Hi there. Hi there. You're such a pretty little bird. You're such a pretty bird. Yeah. I'm listening. Oh, yeah. You're such a pretty bird. Mama said pretty bird. So what do you think about that, Angel? What do you think? What are you thinking, baby? What you thinking, baby? You okay, baby? You guys are awesome. 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 I love you. I love you. You know I love you. Angel's just quiet and tired. You're just tired. Okay, you got the energy room. Oh, my magic is showing off. Magic. I'm back. What do you want to say? We're listening. Yes. Say, I love you. I love you. I love you. And you say, I love you. I love you. I love you. What? That's the Dee Dee whistle. This is the Dee Dee whistle. Angel learned it first. Oh, actually Angel 1 did, and then Dee Dee, and now Angel, now Magic. Yeah. Now do you see why I say male? If it's a female, it's amazing. How about the kiss? Yes, kisses. Magic, you're just full of talent, aren't you? You got a lot to say there. Yes. Ooh. I love you.